Welcome to Mr. Gillaspy's Northern Cookery course. Remember, where there's fat, there's flavour. Right, so we're going to add now some flour bread mix because we're going to make one of my favourite things in the world, cheesy Marmite bread. Feel the calories. There we go. Dry mix is in. Yeah, I cheated. This is from Morrison's. It is a bread mix already. See? There we go. Ho-ho. Okay. Now, well in the middle. Yeah. All right. And now, it says add 320 millilitres of warm water, but in true northern fashion, we put some extra milk in it as well. So in it goes. There we are. All in. Yeah, and also, remember, where there's fat, there's flavour. Bit of butter. Ooh, yeah. Let's start mixing. 5 minutes mixing. I should have brought a bread mixer. Oh, this is nothing on Joe Wicks, this, I tell you that. Oh. There we are. It should be nice and stringy. That's the gluten in there. I never understood why gluten-free bread is more expensive. I mean, it's got less in it. Okay, so now a little bit of flour on the top. Yay. There we go. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Or as Jamie Oliver would say, drizzle, drizzle. Yeah. Scoop this all out and stick it on the floured surface. So all scraped out. Yeah. Now we'll leave that very sticky mess on the side for 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Okay, it's been resting for 5 minutes, so now we've got to knead it. Yeah, fold and knead, fold and knead, stretch it. It's all about getting that gluten sorted. So fold and stretch, fold and stretch. A bit more flour, there we go. Couple of minutes of this. Yeah, there we are. That's the one. There we go. Keep going. Get that gluten going. Stretch, knead. Okay, so now grease this. Remember, where there's fat, there's flavour. And this will stop the bread sticking. Okay, so all the way around. There we are. Got to do the sound effects. Okay. And then in it goes. Yeah, and then 30 minutes. There's some cling film. Plenty of cling film. Okay. And then other way. Right, this needs resting now in a warm place until it doubles in size. Right, now, while the bread is rising, what we're going to do is make the Marmite sauce that needs to go through the bread. So, remember, northern phrase of the day, where there's fat, there's flavour. Okay, and feel the calories. Bit of butter. Okay, there you go. Yummy. Marmite. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. There you go. Just for good measure. Oh yeah. Oof. Right, now in the microwave with it. So, in the microwave, Mix that butter into the melted Marmite. Oh yeah. Yeah, mix, 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 mix. Give it that nice glossy appearance. Yeah. Calories. Flavour. Right, as you can see, that bread has really, really risen. It's more than twice the size it was before. Very good stuff. Nearly ready to do. But we're going to sort a few things first out, yeah? I'll sort out a few things first. Yeah, egg. Going to crack this into this glass here. Okay. Whoa. There we go. Nearly. Alright. Job done. Nearly. And nice little glaze for this. Alright, let's unwrap this now. Ooh, look at that. Lovely jubbly. Okay. Yeah, just give it a bit of that. Knock it back a bit. Okay. I'm going to leave it in here. But what do we need? We need flavour. How are we going to do it? Add calories. Oh yeah. So now, drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. There we go. And we're going to fold this in. Bit more. Oh yeah. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh. Flavour. So, with this high calorie bit of flavouring, what do we need? Cheese. Now we've got all that lovely cheese on there, we're going to fold this all through. Okay, so just pull it like that. Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, there we go. And then, oopla, oopla. Now, what do we need to finish this off? Bit of egg. You can use a brush, but clean hands, well, Marmite. Yeah, egg, dippy dippy, over the top. All the way around. Okay. Like that. Okay. All the way around. Yum, yum, yum in my tum. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Right, so we've got this lovely, lovely glazed loaf ready to go into the oven, but it's missing something. What goes well with cheese and Marmite and egg? I know. Cheese. Okay, now, so 30 minutes in the oven on gas mark 8.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time.
The smell of cheese is just fantastic. Oh, smell-o-vision. I wish you could smell this. Okay, let's get it out. Let's see what we've got. Oh, yeah. Oh, now I gotta say I'm pleased with that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, to make sure the cooking process is completely finished, gotta let it cool down for 1 hour. Okay then, it's been cooling down for an hour. Time for the big reveal. Oh yeah, doo doo, chicka-ta. Oh, more cheesy swirls. Oh, look at that. It's like a savoury Swiss roll. taste test now. Oh yeah. Oh. Now I wonder what part of this I'm going to eat first. Maybe that end there. Oh, it's fantastic. It really is actually. I'm not joking. It's really, really, really nice. That's better than I thought it was going to be actually. Oh. Obviously, this is quite a high calorie bit of food, yeah, okay? So, I mean, I'm sure the PE department will be a bit concerned. So what we can do instead is have a low calorie version of this. It's called a rice cake. Flavour. What we could do though, it's a bit dry as it is, so it could do with a small topping on it. So, tell you what, we'll put a bit of topping on. There we go. Ooh, yummy. It's still a bit high calorie this. It is, I must admit, okay. So what we can do, we can reduce the calories further. If we take away the rice cake, we've just got the topping. That's got to be less calories. And well, there you go. There's your low calorie version. Thank you very much indeed for watching Mr. Gillaspy's Northern Cooking. I hope you've enjoyed it. Next week, Miss Laybourne's going to make a triple-tiered chocolate gâteau from scratch. Far too difficult for me. I'll be looking forward to watching it. Thank you.